Hello, everyone. My name is Wes, and I'm going to be going over repetition in sentences today. I'm a tutor over at LSC, and writing is my passion. Something I see commonly with a lot of students that come in is repetition. So, for example, this sentence goes, I love playing baseball because baseball is fun, and because playing baseball with my friends is the best part of playing it. We have baseball three different times, and we have playing twice, or actually, we have playing as well three times. So something we could do with this sentence is break it up. So when I see I love playing baseball because baseball is fun, that sounds like a single sentence. So instead of continuing it with and because, we can end it right here. Because once we see another transition word or an addition word like and because side by side, that usually indicates to me that it's another sentence completely. We could continue with saying because playing baseball with my friends is the best part of playing it. But using because in the beginning here makes it sound like an incomplete sentence. So if we get rid of it completely, it could read, playing baseball with my friends is the best part of playing it. We have a couple things to fix with repetition. We've broken it into two sentences. First of all, let's remove all the highlighting so it's a little easier to see. And we'll break it up. So I love playing baseball because baseball is fun. Well, we don't have to use baseball twice. We know what you're talking about. Instead of baseball, we could say it. So I love playing baseball because it is fun. Now we have no repetition in this sentence, and it reads a lot better. So hearing playing baseball with my friends is the best part of playing it. Feels like I'm getting hit in the head with the word playing. So I understand that you play baseball, but maybe we could talk about what about baseball is nice. So I know you're talking about your friends here, or whoever would be writing this. So I would say instead of playing baseball, maybe being on a team with my friends, or you could say winning games or something along those lines. So just breaking it up into a different aspect of baseball would be nice. For this example, I'm going to go with being on a team with my friends is the best part of playing it. So now we still have playing at the very end. So now we're going to put them side by side so we can kind of compare them again. I love playing baseball because it is fun. Being on a team with my friends is the best part of playing it. So we could say being on a team with my friends is the best. Or we could say we could again make this a little stronger. So like what about it is the best? Um Being on a team with my friends brings me a lot of joy. Being on a team with my friends makes me feel invincible. Again, you're saying playing baseball, but I don't understand what playing really means. Do you mean casually? Do you mean as a team? Do you mean professionally? Being more specific can help with the repetition. So in this example, I'm going to go with being on a team with my friends makes me feel invincible. Now, spelling, that's fine. We have spell check. So compared to the beginning, we now have I love playing baseball because it is fun. Being on a team with my friends makes me feel invincible. Now, as a reader, I'm invested. So I know playing baseball is fun, but now I'm like, oh, you feel invincible? What about that makes you feel invincible? For me, baseball maybe didn't give me that. Now you've hooked your reader just by changing the repetition. So to summarize, use control, find, control F in order to find the repetition in your sentences. If you are reading it to yourself and you're like, man, I know it doesn't sound right, but what is it? Read it out loud, find it on the page, and then highlight everything that's repeating. If you use the word play, what does playing mean? Again, for this, we go playing on a team. That's great. But if you wouldn't have said on a team, I don't understand what playing baseball means. Could be with your friends, a kid, I don't know. So get specific, use control find, control F. I've noticed that when there's a lot of repetition, it usually is also a run on sentence. So they seem to go hand in hand, not necessarily. but that can give you a little bit of variation. Sentence variation, going from a long sentence to a short sentence, or going from little detail to a lot of detail, can be fascinating to read because now I don't feel bored and I don't feel like I'm getting smacked in the head with the same word again and again.